Hello friends. Traditionally, we have been using a various kind of clay pots or you can say terracotta pots for planting various kind of plants in our garden. For long time we have been using these pots and they are giving good results also as they provide healthy environment for most of the plants. The porosity of the clay allows air and moisture to penetrate the sides of the pot which makes them most suitable type of planter. And the other most common type of pot that we use for planting plants are made up of plastic as they are light in weight, they are strong, they are colorful and they are excellent for moisture loving plants. For gardeners who water infrequently, plastic pots are very good. But today in this video we are going to discuss about the various grow bags available in the market, their types, their sizes and their advantages and disadvantages. The first one we are going to discuss about are LDP grow bags. They are made up of ultraviolet resistant polyethylene material for long durable life. It features black inside that helps in preventing sunlight to fall directly on the roots and white outside that helps in reflecting sunlight. They are suitable for growing various kind of vegetables and flowers. The most common size that we use in LDP grow bags is 12 inch in width or in diameter and 12 inch in depth. They are good for growing tomatoes, peppers and various kind of other vegetables. They are available in various kind of brand names and they are easily available at all the e-commerce sites that we commonly use like Amazon and Trust Basket, so we can easily purchase them. The next type of material that we use for grow bags are HDPE, high density polyethylene. They are thick and durable and have reinforced seams and stitched corners. They have some drain holes at the bottom which avoids water accumulation at the roots, and they are available in various sizes. As you can see, these are 12 inch in width and 12 inch in depth. They are also good for growing tomatoes. As you can see, I have grown tomatoes in them. The other sizes that are available, look at these strawberries. This one have 18 inch diameter and they are circular in shape with 9 inches depth, and these are with 6 inch depth. They are good for growing greens. I have grown fenugreek and spinach in them. So HDP grow bags are available in various shapes and sizes. This one is a bigger one. Here you can see a big planter. I have grown lettuce and peas in it. More bigger with 10 foot in length and almost 4 feet in width and 2 feet in depth. In this planter you can grow radishes, carrots. Also you can grow bottle gourds, snake gourds in these planter, and they have sufficient depth for roots to grow. The other planter that is 6 foot in length and 2 feet in width, they are also good for growing greens. I have grown fenugreek. This one is a bit smaller one in which I have grown coriander. So there are various shapes and sizes in which HDP grow plants are available. This one is 24 inches by 24 inches. A grapevine I have grown in it. As you can see, this one is another. In this I have grown a lemon tree. This is also 2 feet by 2 feet, 2 feet in width and 2 feet in depth. So you can grow fruit plants also in HDP grow bags. Another kind of HDP grow bag is this one. It is for growing potatoes. It has, you can see, a space from where we can harvest the potatoes. So they can be designed in various manners to meet your needs. Some other kind of grow bags are also available like this one. This is made up of fabric. It is good for aeration. So there are a lot of varieties of grow bags that can be purchased from the market. Now let's discuss about the various advantages of using grow bags. Plants in grow bags have healthier root system. As you can see, they all have very healthy roots. In traditional pots, roots grow until they reach the edge of the pot. Then they make a turn so that they can keep growing into soil. And eventually root circles all the way around the perimeter of the inside of the pot and the plant becomes root bound. But this does not happen in the case of grow bags. As roots reach the edge of the bag, they come in contact with the air, and as bag is breathable, it stops root from growing. So this self air pruning of roots promotes the smaller roots to grow and make the root system of the plant stronger. Another important role of using grow bag is for the places where we don't have good soil. Soil may be very compact. So here we can use potting mix as per our requirement in grow bags and grow all kind of vegetables as per our need. Now other advantages, they are very helpful in cases where we overwater the plants. As bags are breathable, the high quality fabric grow bags allows for excellent drainage. So issue of overwatering can be reduced by using grow bags. Issues like root rot are not cause of concern if we are using grow bags. Some of the other uses of grow bags are space management. If you have space restriction, you can use them anywhere. You can use them at your terraces. Also, as they are lighter in weight, so your roof structure can easily take its load. So it is a better option to be used at your terraces. Now coming to the cons of using grow bags. As we know, these grow bags are less durable as compared to our terracotta pots and clay pots or plastic pots. After 2 to 3 years, they start to worn out. Another disadvantage of using them is that they are not eco-friendly, they are not biodegradable. Also, cost-wise, if we compare, so they might be costlier than the traditional clay pots or terracotta pot, and sometimes also because of their size, they are less mobile as compared to traditional pots. So now it is on to you whether to use grow bags or to not. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.